Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And let's get into this video. So this video is excited because it's my monthly BoxyCharm video. If you guys want to see what I got, just keep on watching. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box where you can get 5 full-size beauty products with an average value of $175 for $25 a month. With BoxyCharm base box, every month you can upgrade to BoxyCharm Premium or Luxe once subscribed. Let's just dive right in. I'm super excited because this month is my birthday month. My birthday was Sunday, November 14th. And I had a great birthday. There's some flowers for my mom. And I still have my Halloween stuff up, but that's okay. I haven't had time to take it all down. But anyways, let's just dive right into this box and see what we got. So here's the card for the month. It says BoxyCharm invite only, shopper annual holiday blowout sale, and score up to 80% off retail value. Cool, so I guess they're having a sale on their BoxyCharm items. So the first item in here is this violetvoss palette. Yes, yes girl. Violet Sunset Eyeshadow Pressed Pigment Palette. Get your daily dose of magic hour with the Violet Sunset palette. Alright. So it's kind of like a neutral palette with some purples in it. Here are the colors here. I'll be doing a look on TikTok with it, so just stay tuned for that. And this retails for $37. Very nice. The next item is LUXIE pour la Noche brushes. You can never have enough brushes. You always need brushes. You always need brushes. I'm going to keep saying it again. I'm going to say it again. You always need brushes. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for giving me these brushes. If I can get them open. See how they feel. So there's 3 in here. Okay, so this one's kind of dense, the first one. This one's kind of soft, and this is nice. So blend, shade, and define your look to perfection with the starter brush set. Yeah, this is a really good starter brush. This would be for your eyes. This can also be to blend out shadows, and then that can be to put your blush and your highlighter or whatever you need it for. Oh, this feels really soft. This retails for $40. Yay. Thank you. The next item is SKINFIX Resurface AHA, BHA Enzyme, and exfoliating pads. Oh my goodness. I needed these. I was looking for something that would help exfoliate my skin, especially like after I come back from the gym. Look at my face. Like I just came from the gym. I look like a sweaty mess. That's okay. So powered by AHAs, BHAs, and enzymes, these one-step face and body exfoliating pads will help brighten and smoothen skin. That is exactly what I need. I'm super excited to use these because you should exfoliate your face at least 2 to 3 times a week to help get all the dirt and impurities out of your face. Yes, do that. This retails for $50. Wow, let's open it up and see what it looks like. So that's them there. They're just like little pads. You know what? We're gonna use one. Let's do a little demonstration. Why don't we? I don't really wear makeup every day since I work from home, but when I go to the gym I do sweat. I sweat a lot, and this would be good to help get rid of whatever's on my face. Where's my little mirror? Here it is. So yeah, you could see the crap that, ugh. Wow, you could see all the dirt and crap that's on here. Nice. My face feels good. I'm still gonna wash my face once I'm done before I take a shower. So that retails for $50. The next item is Bodygraphy makeup brush cleaner. Girl, I was just talking to myself saying, I need to clean these damn brushes. Look at all these brushes. They're all dirty as hell. I'm going to use this along with soap and water to clean these brushes. I need them clean. What the hell is wrong with me? And this retails for $19. A quick and easy way to cleanse and disinfect your artistry brushes. That is so important that you must clean your brushes once every 2 weeks, once every 3 weeks. Just clean them. You want to get the dirt and oil out of your brushes so that you can always use clean brushes on your face so that you don't break out and whatever. So get yourself a brush cleaner and some soap and water. Thank you. The last item in the box, oh wait, this retails for $19. I don't know if I said it or not. The last item is Beaute Eyeshadow Amplifying Base. The Eyeshadow Amplifying Base is a full coverage product that should be applied before eyeshadow. So that, I love eyeshadow bases. I love trying them because I'm always doing crazy and beautiful looks. So this is what it looks like here. Nice. Let's see. Okay, so it's just like a nude kind of color. There it is there. Oh, okay, nice. So, oh, it's going to be, there's no smell to it, but that's going to be nice when you put it on your eyes and you put your eyeshadow on. So, and this retails for $14.99. Let's add them up and see how much this box retails for. So, 37 plus 40 plus 50 plus 19 plus $14.99. So this box retails for $187.99. That was an awesome box. I am super excited to use these products within the month of November, even though we're like halfway through. That's okay. I will be doing a giveaway again soon. I haven't had a chance to put it together, but I will. And especially for December, I'm going to try to do a little bit of Vlogmas, or maybe like 10 or what is it, 13 days of Christmas or something like that. But I do want to try to do it for you guys because I love you all, and I'm so sorry I haven't been able to come on here and make videos and content. I've just been so busy, and then like, you know, this month is hard because yeah, it was, I did have a great birthday, but at the same time I miss my dad. Like every day I still miss him, and it just have to take everything one day at a time. And I'm doing good. Like again, I'm on my fitness journey and I've been killing it in the gym. I think that's like my saving grace right now. I enjoy it so much. Maybe I should vlog in there, or just bring you guys along with me so you could see what I do. Or I could just, I always post photos on my Instagram, so go on Noche and I will show you what I do there. So that is it for this evening's BoxyCharm base box. Thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for gifting me November's base box. I'm super excited, and I'm just going to keep on pushing through. And I'm just really happy and very, very happy to be part of the BoxyCharm family. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall, but she's slowly coming back. So that's all I just want to say. So bye everybody. Have a good evening.